Longinentic Meditation. Part 3. Sufferings of Samsara. Meditation 29. The Suffering of Animals. Please read Kampo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and the Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the 6 realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate on the sufferings of animals. Animals are divided into the categories of aquatic dwellers and those scattered over the surface of the earth. In the depth of the great oceans live fish and creatures as numerous as distilled grains. Dull and bewildered, they devour one another. Other birds, beasts, and so forth are able to dwell in the human or God realm. They have to suffer from being slaughtered, enslaved, beaten, or from predation. They are thoroughly deprived of any pleasure. Sometimes the sight of animals is quite pitiful. During a heavy rain this afternoon, I saw from my window a little sparrow try to find shelter in a big tree nearby. Despite its effort to hide beneath the leaves, raindrops still pounded onto its body, making it shiver all the time. Seeing the plight of this little bird, my heart ached, and I immediately recited mantras and dedicated merit to it. Therefore, resolve to avoid being reborn in all my lives as animals who suffer so much. I must strenuously apply myself to what is wholesome. That is practicing the Dharma. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.